Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Taskade, a tool that claims to chat, organize, and get things done using one team-friendly platform. It's a project management tool. Taskade helps you remote team manage projects using collaborative workspace and built-in video and messaging tools across platforms. It's an alternative to Trello, Notion, Pluto, which was a previous AppSumo deal, and they have right now more than 35 positive reviews on AppSumo, and the deal is pretty good. Let's take a look at the structure of the deal. With the tier 1, you get all the features of unlimited plan, all of them. You can go up to tier 3, and the difference here will be the number of workspace. The workspace will be related to the brand and the people who will work with you in the project. With the tier 1, all the deals I think are pretty generous. With tier 1, you get 2 workspace and unlimited everything else. Tier 2, 10 workspace, and tier 3, unlimited workspace. So if you can go to have everything unlimited, just get the tier 3. Let's take a look at the tool. Your onboarding will be like that. So they will invite you to start a new project. So just say about something you are working on, and then you're going to start to create your tasks. Here are 3 AppSumo tasks that I just created for us. And then click here on continue, and you'll be presented to the dashboard. So here is your first task. You can see it in different manner. Here is the default view. You can see it as a board as well. You can see the calendar by action and as a mind map. I really like that mind map view. And also as org. You change the views in just clicking on the button here on up, okay? And inside the task, you can select the due date of the task. You can assign to one of the members, and you can create tags. For instance, important, etc. You can start to make it like important by starting it. Also, inside the task, you can chat here on the right and start a call. Click on that button here. And also you can add new blocks. For instance, a paragraph. So you can write a paragraph here. You can add bullet points to your tasks like that, and so on. You can highlight anything that you want, just like that. It's pretty beautiful. You can make everything bold if you want, and you keep going. You have an editor here as well to improve your task the way you think it's better. You can export and print your tasks. By exporting, you can export as image, text, markdown, and PDF. Here you can see your workspace. You create a new workspace here. So inside each workspace, you're gonna have the tasks and the people inside who are chatting as well. So you can think an workspace as a brand. If you need more brandings, you need more workspace. If you get the tier 3, you get unlimited workspace. You have some buttons here on the left where you can see your recent activity, your tasks. They're gonna show up, like a timeline. Your calendar. Here's a calendar. Everything that you have started will appear if you click on the start button, and what people have shared with you. Also, it's important to say that Taskade has apps. It has for Mac, Windows. There are the Chrome extension as well. So overall, I think it's a really good project management with really easy learning curve. You can start to use it, in the day that you just buy it. You can learn it in 1 hour or less. And I think for project management, when you have, a good user interface and it's easy for your team members to work with it, it's just better, because the primary pragmatic goal in a project management is making your team to work inside it. And if it's really complicated, it's harder to make your team to work using it. I think that's pretty easy, and I really like the structure of the deal, having everything unlimited. I think it's a no-brainer. So that's Taskade. If you like that review, please click on the link in the description because it helps me to keep going creating those reviews. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.